Are you looking for an automatic knife that ain't gonna break the bank? Well, here you go. This is the Boker Kalashnikov Dagger automatic knife and bead blast. Opens up nicely. See that? Automatic knife, Kalashnikov 74. Origin is Taiwan. The overall length is 7.625. The blade length is 3.25. Not bad. Not bad at all. Blade style dagger, flat grind, finished bead blast. Handle length is 4.375. The clip, it can go both ways it up here. No. See the little indention there? It's only going to go one way. And that's right hand. Opens up sharply. The jimping is like good. It's grippy. It's not, this is a fake edge right here. It's not anything to write home about. The screws look like just a star bit of some type. No liner that I can see. Handle material is aluminum. Of course it's black. This is 3.7 ounces. Not bad. Plunge lock. But very loose. And that's really no excuse for an out the side, because I have a lot of them that's very tight. Blade steel is AUS 8, but you know, you can't really complain. The reason you can't complain is it's only, are you ready? Are you sitting down? It's only $39.95 on Blade HQ. I'll put a link in the description. $39.95 for an out the side auto knife. This seems pretty tough. It's a toy. It's not anything for you knife snobs, but I'm a knife snob and I have one. Something to think about.